Sometimes. Get Storm again. Get him.
See, Jacob, what name do you go by? Grig?
Oh my goodness, you got energy!
Can I go for Odin? Can I get Odin?
Sure.
That's a sweet name.
Just remember that you're going to have it for the rest of the time.
I am the All-Father.
This is a toad that Daddy found. Make sure you wash your hands, buddy.
This? Toad.
Toad.
This? Toad.
What's Daddy's toad noise? Here you go.
Just a little intimidated by the sound.
See? They're nice. Because it's called Lupe del Oro. Really? Yeah, if I haven't butchered the pronunciation pretty badly, but Dad's not here to tell me. Fire?
Oh boy. Oh boy, says Diamond. Oh, we're going to get let out.
Ready?
Yep, we're ready.
Just leave this one open.
Yeah, well, yeah, that'll be fine. Diamond!
Diamond! Did you forget you're a dog?
Just going to have to subsist off of grass for a little while.
And this tree. They're all eating the tree. Did you have fun, Diamond? Sleeping with the sheep all night?
Is getting tired, huh? You ready for a bath in bed? Put you down for a nap?
His hair get all curly.
Yeah. I was sure that this was a dinosaur. You gonna step where I thought there was a dinosaur footprint?
Does kind of look like it.
Yeah, I'd look at it and I was like, it's a sauropod. I know it.
Over here. Cool.
How deep is it?
Maybe 1.5 foot at most.
Fun. How about in your pool?
That's probably, right now, it's probably about 3 feet.
Nice. Let's go. No wonder your son was like, no, go with him. Go with him. Come here. He's like, I want back on your lap. Be really like a wedding cakey cake.
1 second, I think I got some of that.
Because we were doing a family barbecue, so I thought, let's not do that. Let's just do like a regular decorated cake. But I didn't specify. I just said put the dates on there, and I didn't specify. It looks like a regular good cake. It looks like it's got a lot of pink and purple, and like a little girl's birthday party. Okay, go ahead. You're taking a video now. What do you see? Your toes. Okay, take a picture of the fire. Go. Fire. Whoa. Hot, hot. That's right.
What are you doing to me, bud? See, tickling the snot out of you?
Jacob, where would you That's his most ticklish spot. You found it. These are fireflies.
Okay. This is an eastern ringneck snake. And the way I found it was the craziest thing. When I was walking around the house toward the basement, and there are 2 cinder blocks over there at the corner by the chimney, and I just happened to glance over there and felt like, oh, maybe you should look over there. There might be a ringneck snake under one of those, and I turned him over and darned if there wasn't one.
That's really interesting.
Look at that shimmer on the head there. He's like, oh, don't touch me. He's been eating mulberries out of the tree.
Mmm, those
It's on
yummy.
his fingers are stained. Show your mama.
Yum, yum, yum.
Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth. The wild snake. Yep, it is. What do they eat? Ants and stuff? Imagine that used to be in your house, right?
Yes, yes.
It wasn't much jointed in the house.
Okay. Oh, he didn't die. Yay!
Call him up.